I got Nintendo Switch and the customer said they have issue on the screen. As you can see, the screen it's broken. So in this video I will try to replace the screen. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games stuff. So don't forget to give me a like to this video. They have two screws here, one here, one here, and also this side. Also, they have 4 screws on this side. So let's open them. I take all the screws out and it's time to open the cover. Just be careful. They have more screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First, you need to disconnect the battery. Just be careful. Let's take all the parts out. And this is the motherboard. And now it's time to take the screen out. Just be careful. All right, this should be good. Just be careful. So I will try to clean it. I don't need any dust or anything else. And it's time to install a new screen. So the new screen is available on our shop if you like to buy any parts. And this is the new screen. Let's return all the part back and test. The motherboard is back and I return all the cables. So let's test it. And yes, as you can see, the screen is fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please let me know.